Hey guys, how you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to review this. I know it doesn't say Nerf logo anywhere, but the only logo says fast power. Um anyways, I got this off Amazon and so comment down below in the comments what it's called. It's something fast power. This door is where you clear out some gems. You can put any type on top, and the back you can put any stock attachment right here. It's motorized. It's battery operated. And under here you have your magazine release, your trigger, and very bottom is when you get your gun, get some power into it, and shoot a dart. So I'm gonna show you guys how far it says, how far this thing shoots, and let's get right into it. So, anyways, it does not take any burial attachments, but it takes any tech wealth, and also it takes any stock attachments. All right. And that's all you get right here. Thank you for watching this video, and have a nice day, guys.